Right, so I'm going to set up OpenCode on Ubuntu, right? So I can use between curl, npm or bun, right? So I have like these three options while setting it up on Ubuntu. You can pick the curl option, which is easiest one, or you can pick the bun, right? So we'll go with the curl. Then we can open the terminal, right? So I'll be pasting this particular curl command, right? So if I paste it here, you can see it is curl command, and it will begin setting up OpenCode, right? You don't need any form of login or so, unless you are planning on buying certain credits and wish to use those paid models. So my current goal is to use whatever the free models are offering as of now and get the OpenCode working on Ubuntu, right? So here, as you can see, currently the setup is going on, and once setup, you can see it will show you this particular message explaining that it has finished the setup, and the path appears there, right? Now what I can do is I can basically reload the terminal, and here let me go back, and now I can type in OpenCode, right? It should greet me with the command line that looks like this interface, right? I can also open a new set of models by typing in /, and here you see the models. You have between Big Pickle, then Tencent's Hi3 Ling, and then Minimax and Nemotron. You can go with the Minimax. You can actually test out the model. If you want, you can also test the models by typing in what is your name and your capabilities for coding projects, right? So I'm asking very simple question to the Big Pickle, and it should respond me with its capabilities in coding specific tasks. So here you see, we'll make the query to OpenCode, and from there it will begin setting up. And you can see it is thinking, and it returned with a message that it is AI coding assistant with writing, searching, debug, refactor, running commands, and research, right? So this you can use along with Hermes. So just in case if you run out of any specific models quota, you can always switch, and for that you can make use of these free models. So we managed to set up OpenCode on Ubuntu, and we also ask the question regarding how to run particular model. Also ask that model what it can do and what are its capabilities. So in such cases can actually get the answers as well, right? It is pretty slow though, considering these are free models, but you get what you pay for, which is free.